What, if anything, existed before the Big Bang? It sounds like a simple question, but it may be one of the most difficult questions ever asked. For decades, the scientists have studied the origins of our universe. They've traced everything, galaxies, stars, even atoms, back to a single moment. A moment roughly 13.8 billion years ago. A moment we call the Big Bang. But here's where it gets strange. Our instinct tells us, if something began, there must have been something before it. Before a fire, there was a spark. Before a story, there was a beginning. So naturally, we ask, what came before the beginning of everything? Was there an empty universe waiting to explode? A hidden force? Another reality, or something even stranger? What if there was no before at all? What, if anything, is that the Big Bang was not the first event? Instead, it may be part of something much bigger. Some theories suggest our universe is just one of many, a single bubble in a vast cosmic ocean. Each universe could have its own Big Bang, expanding, fading, and being replaced by another. A never-ending cycle. No true beginning, no true end. Others imagine a universe that contracts, collapsing in on itself, only to explode again in a new Big Bang, a cosmic rebirth, again and again, forever. In this view, before the Big Bang does exist, but it doesn't look anything like what we understand as time. It could be chaotic, timeless, or governed by laws of physics we haven't yet discovered. But even with these ideas, we're still left with a deeper mystery. Because there's another possibility, one that challenges the question itself. You're walking on Earth, and you ask someone to point you north. They guide you. You keep walking, step by step, further north. Eventually, you reach the North Pole. So you ask one more question, which way is further north? And suddenly, the question breaks. Because at the North Pole, north no longer exists as a direction. There is nowhere further to go. Now think about time. If we go back further and further, past galaxies, past atoms, past everything, we reach the Big Bang. And if that moment is the origin of time itself, then there may be no before to go to. Not because we don't know the answer, but because the question itself no longer makes sense. No past, no earlier moment, no before, just the beginning of time. And that is what makes this idea so unsettling, because it suggests that time, the thing we rely on to understand everything, has had a starting point.